Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this DeLonghi Magnifica with us, and it came in the shop because the grinder noise it'll start to grind and then it will stop and nothing will happen right after. So we did a tune-up on the machine, tried running it, and it's running well. So we're going to test a double shot here, and after this we're going to test the hot water and steam. So you can see it's grinding now, and it will stop right after this. But since we did the tune-up, pretty much opening the brew group and letting it be able to move and tamp, it is now able to brew coffee normally. As you can see, this is for a double, pouring out really well. And we did also replace your spout because there was a crack. As you can see, after a while of using these spouts, cracks do form out of the hot water, so we did replace that also. As you can see, good shot comes out. Everything's functioning. Now we're going to test the hot water function. There you go. See, hot water's coming out, steady stream, looking good. Now we're going to test the steam function. So it's going to pump water first for a few seconds, and it's going to start pushing steam, as you can see. And we're looking good. Everything's functioning as normal, and it should be set to go. Thanks for your repair, and if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.